I am straight away go to this problem. Center stand frame repair, Royal Enfield UCE models. In many of new Royal Enfield UCE Thunderbird and Classic models, there is a common problem. The center stand bracket or frame area gets damaged and stuck. Sometimes it's even fall off. This issue usually comes up after 2 to 3 years, and it is seen in almost all bikes in this category. Older models don't have this problem because their frame design was different. Why this happens? The main reason are soil, dirt, mud collection near the battery on the left side. I mean under the stay. That's where the cracks usually start. Also, the breather pipe from the battery release some waste there, and over the time that adds to the damage. But nowadays it's okay. All the batteries are gel battery. This is the main reason for the issue. In the place like this, repairing is a bit tricky because the original frame is bent in a special way by the company. For them it's easy since they make hundreds of frames. But for us, it's hard to match that exact shape and size. Even welding the same pipe is a tough because the area is already damaged. So we use slightly thicker pipe with the same outer size but a smaller inner size like 22 mm OD and 14 mm IT. This kind of bending needs a hydraulic machine. First we make a model, cut it to size and insert into the frame. I have made special fixer for this to get the exact shapes. And that's only the way to do it properly. In most workshop repairs are done with thin pipes, which don't last long. How to repair it the proper way? Cut the damaged pipe cleanly. Use the lathe machine to get the perfect round cuts and size. Fit the new thick pipe exactly where the old one was. Do CO2 welding, MIG welding, not ordinary arc welding. This gives strength and neat finish. After welding, use grinding tool to smooth out welds. Important tips. Always do accurate work. Even a small misalignment will cause trouble later. Use the right tools. Don't rush or do somehow work. Follow a step-by-step method. That's what gives a long-lasting results. Just remember, people may forget what you did, but they will never forget the quality you brought into it. Let your work speak gently but deeply for you.